So, who would have thought that people actually love free stuff? We've discovered that the hard way here at Tech Travel Geeks. Not only do people regularly ask us for free phones and help with their college tuition fees, but we do have something to give away this week which will make quite a few people happy. We're giving away an iPhone 13 Pro case, which we previously unboxed here at Tech Travel Geeks. Actually, I'll make that a bit clearer. We're giving away one of these cases that we have a brand new one of. So I'll keep this one because I like it, and you can have this one, which is still in its packaging. To enter, it's really simple. Make sure you're subscribed to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. Over the next week, we'll be releasing new videos with secret codes in them, and you'll be able to enter those secret codes in our Gleam competition, which we'll link to in the description of this video. So check the link below, make sure you're subscribed and you watch our upcoming videos on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel, and we'll, after the end of the competition, select a winner and make sure that they're eligible to win the prize and send them their wonderful red silicone case for the iPhone 13 Pro. Few words of warning. Obviously, our terms and conditions are in the Gleam competition, in the link in the description to this video. You will need to be in a country that we are able to ship the item to, so countries like North Korea, Iran, and Venezuela are excluded. You will be able to enter multiple times through different means, through social channels and others, but also be aware that if you live in a country where you will have to pay import duties and taxes on the item, you're responsible for that. We'll pay for the shipping, but be aware that if there are any charges, that's down to you to pay for them. I doubt that they'll be doing that because this case, as you saw in our unboxing and review, is very affordable, so you shouldn't really have to pay much for it, if there is any import duty and charges. Anyway, we'll let you get on to the Gleam competition in the description and, more importantly, our future videos here on Tech Travel Geeks. Thanks for watching and good luck with your entries!